BNTouch offers more than just an online repository for your mortgage database. Many tools and features allow you to act upon the information you have for each partner you work with, and each record in your CRM can be connected to everything else, including other records. This means you can connect your partner records to those of mortgage clients that you are working with, allowing you to seamlessly navigate between listing agents, appraisers, borrowers, and anyone else involved in the mortgage process. In the Partnerships tab, you can open a partner's record by clicking their blue name link. Any mortgage records that they are participating in will be tracked in the Participated sub-tab. Here, a complete list of mortgages that they have participated in and are connected to in your CRM will display, allowing you to see a current status and history of your business relationship with that partner. You can find specific mortgage records that the partner is participating in using the search box above the list. When you click Search, borrowers with matching names will appear and all others will be hidden. Partners can be added to a borrower's record from the Participants sub-tab of that client's record. For more information about the participants list from the Mortgages tab perspective, please watch our Mortgage Record Participants List video in our Mortgages tab series. For each mortgage that a partner has participated in, a row will appear in the list with basic information for that borrower and their mortgage process. This includes the client's current step in the marketing sequence, the partnership type of the partner in that mortgage, the type and amount of the loan, and when the client's loan application was completed. You can open the matching client record in your CRM by clicking the blue Borrower Name link. To the left of a participated mortgage, you will see an empty box or an arrow pointing to the left or right. This indicates the referral status for the connected partner. If you click this icon, it will rotate between the available options. Arrows pointing to the left mean that indicated partner referred the client to you, while arrows pointing to the right mean that you referred the client to that partner. Thank you for watching this training video. To learn more about the BNTouch CRM, please check out our YouTube channel.